Hi guys, OMAVANGIE here and welcome to my channel. Hello YouTube friends, this is OMAVANGIE and welcome back to my channel where I share my journey to staying fit, happy, healthy, and productive in my 50s. There are two things that I'm passionate about. One is my love for fitness dancing, exactly why I have just celebrated my 9th year as a licensed Zumba instructor and an active member of Zumba Instructor Network. And the second one is my passion for helping people from all walks of life make extra income from the comfort of their home by leveraging the internet and social media. And that's going to be the topic of our video for today. There are many ways of making extra income or doing a side hustle from home. This obviously will help supplement your active income or your basic income, which is either your employment or your jobs as a freelancer. Number one, you can be a content creator. You can put your contents on Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok and other social media platforms, and you can make revenues by having ads posted on your accounts. That's one. Secondly, you can be a YouTube content creator. What I'm doing right now, I have a channel and there are rules obviously for you to qualify to get revenues from the ads. What are digital products? Digital products are anything that are downloadable from the internet. So you can make your designs, you can make your stickers, you can make calendars, for instance, anything that can be downloadable from the internet, and you can place them. Usually people are making a lot of money using Etsy. So those are called digital products. If you are good with designs, go try it yourself. It's also a nice source of income, right? Another example of a digital product are courses, online courses. If you are good at something and you want to make your teachings or your course available, you can make your online course and have them for sale. That's also another way of making extra income or making a side hustle. Okay. Another side hustle that you can do is that if you have enough savings or if you have extra available in the bank, you can also use them to invest in high-paying dividend stocks. Just a reminder that investing in stocks obviously has a risk of losing your capital. So be aware. Make your due diligence, make your research, and first learn before you start doing this side hustle. Next in our list is affiliate marketing. What is an affiliate marketing, by the way? Let's begin by defining what an affiliate is. An affiliate is basically a happy customer. For example, me. I purchased an item and I'm so happy with it, and I just kept telling it to my friend and sharing and talking about that particular product that I bought. So, because I'm so satisfied with it, I am like a free promotion or I'm a free advertiser for the company. So what I would do for me to become an affiliate of this company and for me to make extra income, because I'm the one doing the free promotion for them anyway. So what you can do for you to make extra income being an affiliate marketer is to go to the website of the product where you purchase it and see if they're offering the affiliate marketing programs. All you have to do is to apply, and if they approve and you are qualified to become an affiliate, you will be given a special code or a link wherein you can place that link in your social media platforms. For example, you have a YouTube channel, you have Facebook, and you have TikTok or other social platforms that you are currently active in. Share your products there, say something about the product, put your link on the description, and the moment that other people see that link and they buy through your link, you get paid by the company. And that's how affiliate marketing works. It's also a good source of income, right? So there you go, guys. Those are some of the examples of the side hustles, or let's say sources of passive income that you can do from home. Last but not least, I'd like to share with you a program where I have discovered and I have just recently joined, and it is called the Digital Business. Okay, there are some instances, and I'm sure that I'm not the only one, wherein you really would like to start your own online business, but there are some challenges. Things like, how do I start? What do I need? Who's going to teach me? What products shall I sell? Because every business has to have a nice product, a good product that people needs, a product that can answer people's problems. That's the way to have a successful business, right? So you want to own your online business, you want to own a digital business, but again, you don't know how to start. You have no system, you have no backup, you have no digital knowledge on how to set it up. Well, the good news is, I'd like to invite you to come and visit my website, and it is going to be a package if you would like to start your own digital business. So I'd like to invite you to visit my website and have a seat, have a look, and check the free webinar and see if this is a good fit for you. All you have to do is visit my website www.vangierocks.com and receive your complimentary seat. I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope that this video has been helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of you, and God bless everyone. Till the next one, bye-bye.